I'm back. I bet you guys are wondering where I've been. Crazy things, crazy times, especially with what's going on right now in the nation. But I'm back. Go start making more videos. I got a lot of videos on backlog that I've still got to put out. Thought I'd come at you guys today. Let's talk about what's going on with the Blazer this year. A lot of things have been delayed. I'll explain that when I come right back. So, what are we going to do with the Blazer this year? Not as much as I wanted to. I'll be truthful with you. So let's kind of walk around and see what's going on with it. Not a whole lot is going to change to the inside. As you can see, my doors are still in good shape. I'm down 2 subs. Get in here. I got 2 subs that's come apart at the triple joints. To be expected, especially with the way I wane on this thing. Really nothing's going to change inside the vehicle except for these ugly things right here. These are just kind of like filler panels, whatever you want to call them. Got one over here too. I'm going to redo them. I think I might try to fiberglass them. Make them look a little different. I think I'll still do them in red, but this vinyl that I put on these, which would be almost two years ago, it's rolling and it's coming up in spots, and I'm just not happy with it. So we're going to change that up. So really, besides swapping out subs and doing these, that's about all that is going to happen to the interior. Maybe try to fix a couple little things in there. No, I take it back. Duh. I'm going to try to build a console. That is my project. I'm in no rush now with everything that's going on with the my Corona. But it's something I've wanted to do for a couple years. So I'm going to try to build a console. I've been talking with Ed at Sparked Innovations. We're looking at doing a panel that I'm going to try and put here. I thought about trying to angle this in here like so. Put a panel right here. Maybe some voltmeters, a couple switchers or something. I'm not exactly sure yet. We're still working out the details on that. If Ed ever gets back to me, get back to me, Ed. Call me, email me, text me, message me on Facebook. I don't care. Get back to me, Ed. But anyways, yes, that is a project that's coming up. Been thinking about it. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it because I've got a console shifter. I don't have a column shifter like a lot of Blazers do. So I don't know how I'm going to work around that yet, but we'll see how it goes. See what I can conjure up. All right, so let's check out some more stuff here. All right, I'm going to have to hurry this up now. It's starting to rain. Oh, and I got my yard mowed for the first time this year. But anyways, nothing's happening back here except for maybe batteries. Still working out some details on maybe getting a lithium or two. Try to be 100 plus amp hours on lithium. Get rid of all my AGMs that's underneath the amps. The plan was to get the new 10Ks, the full bridge 10Ks that are coming from Audiopipe. But with the COVID-19 coronavirus, whatever you call it, that has certainly screwed a lot of things up from China to here and other countries. So the amps are being made, but everything is behind, severely behind. It's probably going to be mid to late summer before those amps are available. So we'll keep the 4Ks for this year. And hopefully, like I said, batteries, which are under this, hopefully this deal works out and I can get a good price on some lithiums and save myself some weight. I got about, all these batteries back here, I figure weigh about 600 pounds. So that will save a lot on suspension and all that stuff. So like I said, nothing is really changing with this at all. So really, that is about all that is going to be done to the Blazer this year. Inside of it anyways. Now the outside, was trying for a wrap again this year. With everything that's going on, that kind of fell through too. Not a big deal. Might try to change it up with some different stickers on the sides or do something like that. The Audiopipe Blazer stickers that are down the side of it there, that wasn't planned. I had those kind of laying around and I just do them up. I just do them on there one night for shits and giggles, and they've been on there ever since. Now I am going to do something different with the windows this year. That's been on there for like 3 years now. So I'm going to switch that up, change that up, something, I don't know just yet. Figure something out. And I think we'll just leave the back window as it is. But no, all in all, other than that, that's pretty much all that's really going to happen with the Blazer this year. It's still got 3 alternators, all that good stuff. Oh, that's pretty much it. That's going to be done to that. So like I said, not a whole lot of changes coming to it this year. Some subtle things that I explained previously. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Obviously, everything I do, building the center console, that will be a project. I'll shoot it, I'll film it, I'll put it all up for you guys. The car doesn't go by until I start talking, and then the damn car goes by. So anyways, this whole Corona thing has really got the nation on edge. It's got things shut down. Technically here in Ohio, we're under a lockdown right now. As you see all the cars going by, nobody's paying attention. And that's the problem, guys. We ain't going to beat this thing unless everybody starts listening and staying home. Essential people out only. Unfortunately, I'm an essential person, being in law enforcement, and that's just a risk I have to take. Every day when I go to work, it's a risk. So, but we need to get through this as a nation. Yes, it sucks. Car shows have been canceled left and right already. Everybody's afraid that Slamology is going to be canceled. I hope the hell not. But for this thing to work, everybody wants to go to Slamology. Everybody knows it's the Super Bowl of car audio. We got to do this together, guys. So let's beat this thing. I hope all you guys are well and staying safe, and all your families and everybody's doing good with it, and not catching this thing and getting sick. So that's pretty much it. I mean, you all know. I'm not going to preach and harp on that. So anyways, so new videos coming, new projects coming, lots of videos I got to get finished editing and put out. I apologize. I haven't been on the ball with it. I'll be honest with you, I kind of ran into a block, like a writer's block, a creator block, a YouTube, whatever. So, but I'm back. I miss it. I want to get some things done. And like I said, as always, I'll include you guys as much as I can. So stick around, and lots of stuff coming. So until next time, guys, bass on.